What's going on, everybody? It's Costa Mesa Dave. I'm out front at Signature Glass Tinting, and we're gonna look at a brand new Tesla Model Y. Okay, so here we go. A brand new Tesla Model Y. Guys, we've done somewhere between 75 and 100 Tesla Model Ys. We're doing 3 or 4 of them every single day. We own the Tesla Model Y panoramic roof. We went to Tesla, we bought the piece of glass. We do all the heat shrinking, all the film cutting, all the dangerous, if there is a dangerous part of the installation, all the dangerous part of the installation is done on our piece of glass and not on your actual vehicle. All the side windows, the back window, everything's digitally cut. The front windshield, we cut by hand. It's a custom job. We want it perfect. This particular customer chose the Lumar Nano Ceramic IRX 50% on the front 2 doors, and then they went with the Lumar Air 80 over the entire vehicle. The front windshield, the panorama roof, the back window, the rear doors and rear quarters, all done with the Lumar Air 80. And then again, they went with the Lumar Nano Ceramic IRX 50% on the front doors, and I think it looks great. It's very light, it's not very dark, 86% infrared heat rejection, 99.9% UV protection, lifetime manufacturer's warranty. Again, all the sides and the back window were digitally cut. The roof we did on our panorama roof. The front windshield, hand cut, custom job. And as you can see, the car looks great. Okay, so here we are looking out the front windshield of this brand new Tesla Model Y. Again, we installed the Lumar Air 80 on the front windshield, Lumar IRX 50% on the front doors, and we did the roof, the rear door, and the back window, again with the Lumar Air 80. You guys, I personally believe the Lumar Air 80 is one of the best window films in the world. I've been using it since 2007, and I've never had 1 inch of it fail. Not one person has ever brought back a car and said, hey, look at my window, it looks bad. Air 80 is amazing. The Air 80 filters 99.9% of the harmful UV rays. And everybody thinks that window film offers UV protection to protect our skin and the dashboard and the interior of our vehicle. But the truth is, window film offers UV protection to protect the window film. And the reason why the Lumar Air 80 is as good as it is because the 99.9% UV protection protects the window film. I mentioned earlier how we digitally cut all our window film. As you can see, everything fits perfect. There's no light gaps. It looks so nice. Everything fits perfect. You guys, if you don't use Signature Glass Tinting to tint your car, here's some advice. Find a shop that uses Lumar window film. Find a shop that's gonna digitally cut your window film. If you're in the market for a window tint on your Tesla Model 3 or your Tesla Model Y, ask the shop, do you own the Tesla Model Y panorama roof? Do you own the Tesla Model 3 rear window? Even if you're not gonna tint your panorama roof, you wanna ask if they own the glass. This is a sign that you're dealing with a shop that's doing everything they can to protect the integrity of your car. Signature Glass Tinting, Costa Mesa, California. Find us on the web, Instagram, Twitter. We're in Costa Mesa, California, but I don't care where you're located. If you're in Colorado, Colombia, New Vietnam, Netherlands, if you have questions about window film, give us a call. Signature Glass Tinting.